Alright, checking out the new Firefly 2. See how my Puda's coming together. Giving it an upgrade. The Foxeer F405 in it. A couple more wires to do here. Got this cool solder here. Only took 2 weeks to get here from 10 miles away. But works good. And yeah, 3B Puda. It's going to be the Foxy 3B Puda. This little case is a pain in the butt. Even getting the card in this camera is a pain in the butt. But we'll see how it works out. Alright, this is where it's going to take its maiden flight on this bad boy right here.